Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nisha this side. So finally the weird year of 2025 has ended and 2026 has started. 2025 for me was quite a messy and a weird year in a way that I had no routines, no schedules, nothing organized. I was just going with the flow and things were just all over the place. But with 2026 I want to get my life back together, and for that there are certain habits that I want to build, and I've already started working on them. So yes, here are all the habits that I'm working on in 2026. Okay, so the first habit is of keeping a journal. I wanted something that makes me feel very close to myself, like something where I can just express myself and just like be me, right? And journaling just felt right. मैं पहले भी करती थी एक्चुअली जर्नल, बट आई यूज टू डू इट इन आइदर लाइक डिजिटली अपने आईपैड में या फिर सैमसंग टैबलेट में. इट वॉज प्रिटी कंसिस्टेंट ऑनेस्टली, एंड आई डोंट नो, आई मीन डिजिटल जर्नलिंग इज गुड बट स्टिल आई मीन एक लाइक पेपर पे पेन से लिखने में देयर इज अ सर्टेन फील, देयर इज अ सर्टेन एक्सपीरियंस, एंड आई थिंक that's what I was looking for. So I'm just going to show you the new journal that I got actually. So this is the journal that I'm doing right now, and I'm not sure what particular brand this is. I don't think any brand is mentioned. No, not really. I saw it on Blinkit and I ordered Blinkit or Zepto, like something like that. Honestly, I was not looking for a journal because मेरे पास already काफ़ी diaries है, तो मैं सोच रही थी कि उन्हीं में से मैं किसी से मैं start कर दूँ. But then I saw this particular one and I love the fact that it has all these different colors, and I just thought that it would be just interesting to write on like colored papers rather than like boring plain white. As you can also see, like I've already started doing it. There are few pages I've already done here. This is the last entry, today's entry actually. This is one habit that I'm really focusing on building every day. I just make sure that every day, at least for 15 minutes, I sit down and just write my thoughts. They could be anything, as in things that I want to do, things that I plan to do, things that I couldn't do, how I felt, or anything that just feels right in the moment while I'm just sitting down to write anything. I've been doing this for a week now, and I feel really good. I feel very positive. I even filled up a page with like a gratification page where like very randomly one night I was just having like a thought about like what all I have achieved so far, like materialistically, skill wise, talent wise, opportunities wise, whatever. So I just sat down and wrote everything down, and it just feels great. The second habit is enjoying and really experiencing the moment. I know it sounds very silly and it sounds very obvious to you, but it's not that obvious to me. So I'm a very delusional plus ambitious girl at the same time, and I'm very workaholic as well. So मैं सारा time कुछ ना कुछ काम करती हूँ. Like ऐसा नहीं कि मैं सारा दिन ऑफिस का काम करती हूँ, but I keep doing something for myself, for my channel. Sometimes I try to learn new skill or something like that. I always am doing something. But then, when I don't work on these things, that time makes me feel very anxious, as in the moment when I'm not literally productive or definition wise productive, उस टाइम में मैं थोड़ा एंशियस होना शुरू हो जाती हूँ. तो इवन इफ गोइंग even things like going out, spending time with friends, and if I let's say went out for a movie, right, वो 2 घंटे का अगर मूवी 2-3 घंटे का मूवी देख रही हूँ, तो मेरे दिमाग में ये चलता रहता है कि इतनी देर में तो मैं ये कर लेती, वो कर लेती, या ये हो जाओ तब वो हो जाता, राइट. सो आई एम ऑलवेज थिंकिंग अबाउट हाउ the moment could have been made more productive, which is not, honestly, I don't think it's a horrible way to live, honestly. So yeah, I think one of the habits that I'm really focusing on building right now is actually not thinking about those things and actually just being in the moment and really feeling it, really experiencing it. Yes, this is also something that I've been doing for a week or something like that, and I'm not sure, like it does make me feel good. The third habit that I'm working on in 2026 is having routines, like skincare routine, hair care routine. Why? Because I'm not sure, as like it connects to the last thing that I said, because मैं काम के बारे में इतना सोचती हूँ कि मैं इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में ध्यान नहीं देती थी. I do want to do that. I do want to take care of my body, and apparently because मैंने इन चीज़ों पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, my hair specifically मतलब got a lot damaged. So now I want to work on my body like routinely, and I've already started working on my hair. I do have figured a hair care routine for myself. I've been trying it for a week now, and I have significantly like seen a lot of difference in my hair texture in general. Like they feel very smooth. So yes, but I'll share it once I get to like do this entire routine for like 2-3 months. So then it will be fair for me to even suggest it to you. The skincare is not something that I have figured so far, but I think I would want something very simple यार. I don't एक तो वैसे ही समय की थोड़ी कमी हो पाई है, तो I don't want to have like 12 steps of a routine. I would want it with like very simple 3-4 steps is the max that I can go for. So yes, if you have any suggestions, please drop it in the comment section. But yes, this is something that I'm really focusing on in 2026, having routines and really taking care of my body. The fourth habit is cooking at home at least 2 meals a day. And considering that I live alone, and people who actually live alone in a different city would actually relate to this a lot, that this is the most difficult task. 3 meal तो मतलब over ही ambitious होगा, इसीलिए I kept it to 2. At least breakfast and dinner is something that I'm able to have it like at home, घर का बना हुआ खाना. Lunch is still okay, like अगर मैं ऑफिस में हूँ तो ऑफिस में हमारे यहाँ there's a canteen where you can get like bunch of options and all, so that is still okay. You can get healthier options there as well, so I do have some option there. But when it comes to breakfast and dinner, it's really imperative for me now to have घर का बना हुआ खाना, because 2025 में since I was so messy and all over the place all the time that मैं सुबह खाती नहीं थी, फिर उसके बाद ऑफिस जा रही तो मुझे अचानक से फिर भूख लगती थी. ना ऑप्शंस आर नॉट अवेलेबल, तो वड़ा पाव खा लिया. तो मैंने इतना बाहर का खाना खाया दैट माई हेल्थ डिड टेक अ टोल, and I don't want to repeat that mistake in 2026, because I have goals and ambitions to achieve this year. I do have to make sure that I'm really healthy. If I'm healthy enough, then I can sort of do anything. The fifth habit that I'm really working on is doing household chores on a daily basis. At least take some time to do some chores. Again, people who live alone would relate to this कि like घर कैसे गंदा हो जाता है तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलता. And apparently like doing household chores is like sometimes 90% of your day. That's just, it just in general takes a lot of time. But anyway, if you do it on a regular basis, then it won't take this much time. And also when you have your space clean, तो आपका माइंड भी थोड़ा क्लियर रहता है, राइट. घर पे कुछ खाना पकाने का मन भी करता है इफ़ यू हैव द किचन क्लीन एंड ऑल. घर पे कुछ काम करने का भी, वर्क फ्रॉम होम का सेंस ही तब बनता है जब आपका घर साफ़ हो. So yeah, this is I think one thing that I'm really focusing on. I think last week मैंने अपना हॉल काफ़ी साफ़ किया था. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, all these spaces and everything that I cleaned up really nicely. And surprisingly, I have managed to keep everything clean so far. So I'm really proud of that, and I hope that I'll be able to do it for the rest of the year. अंदर का रूम अभी मुझे साफ़ करना बचा है, but we'll do it soon. We'll do it soon, and no need to stress about कि मुझे एक ही दिन में पूरा करना है. I'll do it धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे मुझे टाइम मिलता है, because अब मेरा ऑफिस शुरू हो रहा है, so I will have to go to office also, so वो भी वक्त जाएगा. But yeah, I think this is an imperative habit that you all should also be working on. I did not work on it in 2025. Ashamed of that, very embarrassed, guilty. But let's not repeat our mistakes in 2026. The sixth habit is getting and keeping things, like only things that I actually need. These extra things that I keep buying or keep having with me, apparently they take a lot of physical space and take a lot of mental space also. मैंने last week जब घर साफ़ किया था, I threw a lot of stuff which was just there with me. I was not using them and they were taking a lot of space. जब वो सब हटाया तो मेरे पास बाकी चीज़ें रखने की जगह आई. मतलब this is very important actually, especially again if you're living alone, this is really important. Also I'm hoping कि मैं अब, because I'm an impulsive buyer, उसी की वजह से I have kept so many unnecessary things. Hopefully that I now focus, going to focus on just buying things which are actually very important to me and will actually serve a purpose to me. Hopefully I'll be able to save some money also. Yeah, I mean, hope so. The seventh habit is waking up at 6 a.m. This one is extremely ambitious of me. I mean, I have been trying to get up at 6 a.m. for like past week and have not been able to do it like even once. But we are not quitting, we are not giving up, we'll keep trying. Because मैं अभी ऑफिस नहीं जा रही थी तो आई बिलीव कि मेरे को बाहर से भी कोई प्रेशर नहीं था that I get up early and whatever. But now that I have to go to office, hopefully this will force me to get up at a certain time so that I can have a certain routine in the morning as well. So yes, very ambitious, but we will work on it. And one last habit that is a must for me in 2026 is preparing for the next day a night before. While I was reflecting on my 2025, I was just asking questions to myself, as in why I was so messy, why I didn't have time to do certain things, why did I feel like that I had lack of time or whatever. So apparently the answer sort of like everything just drilled down to one fact, that I never planned things enough. For example, my mornings were very messy. I skipped breakfast. I didn't know what to wear. Subah you're figuring out, oh, this pant is not clean enough, this top is not ironed or whatever. So it just takes a lot of time. My mornings used to be very cranky. And then the crankiness followed through the entire day and whatever, right? So I thought that let's give it a shot for a year. We are gonna keep working on this for the entire year. This one habit that we'll keep building is that how about if we plan for the next day one night before, so that the next day I know what I'm supposed to wear, I know what I'm supposed to keep with me, I know what are the things that I'm supposed to focus on, right? So my mind is not necessarily taken with the things which are not supposed to be focused on during the day, even night also. So yeah, I think very important habit that I believe you guys should also work on. So yes, these were the 8 habits that I am going to work and build in 2026. These were based on my reflection of my 2025. You can add more habits or remove some habits based on how your 2025 went and how your life was in 2025. Do let me know in the comment section below, like what are the habits that you're building this year, what are the things that you're working on this year or plan to work on this year. And yeah, I mean, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have finish this entire cup of tea. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you loved the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.